This is part 2 of the orientation to documents, dealing with the actions specific to documents. We covered adding and importing in part 1, and now we discuss the other actions. Returning to the component-specific actions for documents, we've covered adding and importing. Whenever you do add or import and it produces a text document inside the ATLAS.ti project, you have the ability to edit the document directly within Atlas. However, this feature from version 7 is not yet available in version 8, but we are told it will be added soon in a free update. Next, creating document groups and filtering by groups will be covered in the next component orientation video. And finally, we can interrogate or explore documents in various ways. Here I'll demonstrate 3 ways, described more on page 74. I'll open a document, and we can see how we can interrogate this document based on counting and displaying the frequency of word use. We can get a word list, and I'll just select the defaults, but there are many options, and it presents you with a list of every word, its length, count, and frequency. Returning to the document, in order to get the buttons that I want to use, you can also count the words and present them visually in a word cloud, either as a spiral or in the typewriter mode. Again, coming back to the Document tab, I can search through the document for any words of interest. For example, I can type product, and I see all the hits on the left, and any one that's of interest to me, I can see it in context. And finally, auto-coding, which means searching for text in a document, but then automatically turning all the found text items into coded quotations automatically. So up here I can go to auto-coding, and I could either select an existing code or create a new code. I'll create a new code for mentions product, and then maybe I will search for the word product, which it remembers from the search I just did. And if I click start, it will go through and it will create all the hits of the word product and turns them into a coded quotation. Well, now we've covered some of the main actions specific to documents, and I invite you to read about the next topic, document groups, in Chapter 5, and then watch the next component orientation video.